Success is hard because you need the right foundation. You just can't jump from zero to awesome in one go.
I did not tell him to do that.
And right at the beginning of that journey, you need that solid foundation that will make building your tower of success possible. And just like that, you will be successful. To make this as humanly simple as possible, I broke down this foundation into 5 different pillars. Number 1 is self-care. Self-care is obvious, but unless you take care of yourself, nothing else will work. Focus on using better fuel, recharging your batteries, and clearing your head. Those are so easy to underestimate, but they make every other part of success so much easier. Don't forget about them. Number 2 is beliefs. You are what you think you are. The most powerful human bias is consistency. You want your thoughts, words, and actions to be consistent, and you will feel massive resistance if they are not consistent. So get rid of all negative thoughts and self-doubt. Lie to yourself if you have to, but first at least. Get rid of phrases like I suck, I'm always late, I can never do things right, and replace them with positive phrases like I'm learning, I'm trying to be on time, and I'm making progress with this. The negative self-talk you have is the anchor pulling you down. Raise that anchor, replace it with the wind of yourselves, which is the positive communication. My ship metaphors are not great, and move on. Number 3 is the pleasure-pain balance. People seek 2 things, just 2. Avoid pain and get pleasure. And your brain aims to balance the 2. Everything in your body is balanced, including pleasure and pain. If you feel a ton of constant pleasure, your brain will say, hey, this is a bit too much. Let's balance it out and make this pleasure a bit less rewarding. And if you feel too much pain, your brain will say, hey, that's enough pain. Let's tone it down a little bit. Let's make the pain less painful. This balance is essential for success. It teaches us how to feel more pleasure than pain. You should embrace painful but rewarding experiences. This will tone down your balance to the side of pain, and it will make pleasure that much more pleasurable. And that means that the pleasure of work will be magnified, and you'll feel better, and you'll have more patience to complete the goals you set yourself. So try some weightlifting or heavy stretching or cold showers. Make yourself feel discomfort or even slight pain, and that will enhance the pleasures of life in the long run. And if you want the opposite effect, indulge in overconsumption. Number 4 is habits. In a day you make thousands of decisions, and most of them are unconscious. Discipline will not help you with unconscious decisions. Habits will. So build strong habits. To make building strong habits easier, aim for consistency and not duration. Investing 3 minutes every single day is far better than investing 3 hours every single week. Consistency will always win in the long run. So build consistency and the duration will come in time. Number 5 is environment. You are not really in control of yourself. You give deep and meaningful advice to your body, and your body sometimes follows it. That's why keeping New Year's resolutions is so hard, and that's the biggest hurdle towards success. So to set yourself up for success, make an environment that makes failure impossible. Move your phone to the other room. Turn off your notifications. Clean up your desk from exciting toys and gadgets. Block unwanted apps on your computer. Wear giant headphones so other people know you're working. And so on, you get the gist. Make small adjustments to your environment that make success easier and failure difficult. That was it. Those were the 5 pillars of success. Don't forget that your strong foundation requires all 5. Taking care of all of them is the only way you can build your epic tower of success. Now, after you have the foundations, watch that video to learn what the top 1% of most successful people do every single day to make their success inevitable. Anyway, I am Jordan and I want you to succeed. Thanks for watching.